When you decide to get a PLR ebook or anything like that, it usually comes with an ebook cover. Now, the ebook cover often has what they call a PSD file, which is a Photoshop Designs file. Now, a lot of people, that can be quite technical, and it can also be, pretty awkward to try and manipulate and change to make it look unique and different to anybody else's file. So, I have a way on how you can actually not only have it look completely different, you can even give it a new title, you can change everything up about the entire cover. And we'll also show you how to create entire packages as well. Things like a cover for your videos, a cover for your checklists, and also not just your ebook but other things as well. And we'll show you how to package it all together in one file. Now here we are at IDPLR. Now what we're going to do is, for you to be able to find what you're after, I would suggest you go to the category section, and you got all these different categories along here. Just click on the ebook section, and over here on the right hand side you'll see where it says with private label rights. Click on that, and that'll take us over to where they keep all the ebooks with private label rights on it. So I'm just going to have a quick look at this: how to get more affiliates, how to engage with seminars, coaching, how to create profitable sales. Okay, let's have a look at this one here. Now the reason I'm clicking on it is not just so I can download it, it's so I can also preview it. Okay, so you got the button just here, it says preview. You click on that, and what that'll do is it'll open this section just here up. And you click on that, and it'll show you the various things that comes with it. Now this one comes with e-covers and graphics. It's got PSD, which is Photoshop Design, and PNG. So you can have a look at that. And this will give us a rough idea as to the type of image we're looking at. Okay, it doesn't seem to want to do it. Okay, so what I'll do, as you can see, they've got lots of different options here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download this, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're just going to open this one up here. And the one we're looking at here is the e-covers and e-cover design. So I'm just going to open up the PNG file just here. And this will give us an idea as to the sort of thing we're looking at right here. And drag that over here so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's fairly basic. All right, so I reckon we can improve on that, and I reckon we can also get something a bit better by not actually having this particular one. Let's choose a completely different one and do a better design. Okay, how do we go about doing that? Very simply, going over to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to pop in a prompt just here that I have, and I'm going to now add that straight into here. Add this prompt just here. I'm just going to paste it. I'm just going to pause the video while I paste this in here. Okay, so I've got here, I have a new PLR ebook called How to Create a Profitable Sales Funnel. Could you please change the title to something else that means the same thing? Make it a list of 20. Do not response of 20 titles. Do not respond. Just do the task. And then it'll just create the titles. And if I wanted to, I could just copy the titles and pop them straight into a Word document or wherever I want. But I just want to see what it says here. Build a sales funnel that makes money, creating sales funnels that actually generate profit. Okay, I like this one. So I'm just going to choose this particular one. Copy that. And then what I'm going to do is place this into then I'm going to use this prompt here and fill in the blanks. So I'm going to add this prompt here, and it says, use a 17 to 25 vertical aspect ratio suitable for 8.5 by 11 inch ebook cover. Create a cartoon image of people being led to a funnel. The title is, and I will put the title in, and we'll place that straight into here. And we'll also add a subtitle to it as well. We'll call that one Sales Funnel Made Easy. Pop that straight into there. And just hit that and let it make its image. And we'll be right back when it's finished, because this does sometimes take a couple of minutes. So we'll pause the video until it's finished. Have a look at that. That is a completely brand new, unique cover. I've also got my name in it as well, because that's what I asked for it to do. And it looks totally professional. You can literally just download that and add it to your ebook cover. Now I'm going to download this, and once I do, I'm then going to do some more to it so that we can not only have this image, but we can also have one for an ebook cover as well as one for a package. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little bit of extra information just here. I'm going to now grab this image and we're going to pop it into here. Now, As you can see, if I try to move it to the left, it won't do it. If I try to move it to the right or up and down, it just won't happen. So all I need to do is click on the image, hit right click, go down here to word wrap, and I'm going to put it through text. You can even put it in front of text. In fact, in front of text is probably just as good. All I have to do is grab that, take it up to the very top, making sure that it's touching. Then I'm going to drag this to the bottom. Now, it won't quite cover the entire thing, but it will do enough of the job so that it looks nice. Okay. I might get it to raise the name a little higher. Recreate the image, but place my name a little higher. Now, the best part about using ChatGPT is that it can actually be used. You can always edit it if you need to. So right here, just says recreate the exact image. Just put by Henry Webster across the money so that it doesn't go off the page when I'm putting it into a Word doc. So I'm just going to hit that. And once again, we'll pause the video until it has finished. Okay, let's do that again. This time I'm going to grab that image again, drag that over, place that there. And as you can see, my name's a little higher on the screen now. Do the same thing, put word wrap, put it through, or in front of text, I should say. Drag that over here, then drag that down. And if I have to go a little bit off the page, that is not a major problem. As you can see, that looks lovely. And then you can just start adding extra pages if you wish to. Okay, so what can we do from this point in? Let's now turn this into an actual ebook cover. To do that, I have a prompt just here. I'm just going to place this one straight into here. And we're now going to hit that. And what it's going to do is now going to recreate this image as an ebook with a white background. Oops, which I forgot to add there, which I might have to change. White background. And I might have to recreate it. So we'll have to hit send, and hopefully it'll recreate it. So we'll pause the video until it's finished. There we are. As you can see, it even comes with a little shadow. And how good is that? You can add that to your sales funnel, or should I say to your web page, and that'll look amazing. Now, let's add the last prompt. In this particular case, we're going to be saying, turn the image into a 3D mockup funnel package. Okay, let's go there. And we'll just pause the video until it's finished. It won't take long. Now, I want to also introduce you to this site just here. This is called remove.bg. Now, I am a member, and I have 10 credits available to me, so that when I upload a video or an image into here, I can make it high definition if I want to. And I think I'll do that when I download the next image. So we'll be right back until it's finished. Okay, so with the ebook cover, let's just grab this and drag that over here. And what that's going to do is it'll remove any background that's there. And you want that primarily so that it can actually make it look a bit nicer. So there we have it. Now it's now completely removed that. If you were to download that, you can download that as a preview if you don't have any credits, or you can download that as high definition. Now I'm going to go like that. And when it does do a download, it'll also download it with its own. It's got remove.bg as part of it so that you don't miss what it is. So you can just download that. And you now have that as a high definition sales funnel image. Let's go back over here and we'll have a quick look at what it's done. Beautiful. That's one image. I don't think I'll keep that one, but I do like this one best. I think image 2 is better. So that's the one we'll stick with. And once again, we can download this and then add that straight into here. So I'll just pause the video until then. Oh, by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please remember to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, so let's now add this to remove.bg. I like to go back to the home page for that. Makes it easy to just drag and drop. Just drop it straight in there. And as you can see, it's going to be removing all the white covers back behind it and give you that. And once again, you can just download that as high definition, which is what I'm planning on doing. And it will then put it where I want it. All right. That is how you do it. And once again, you can add this to your website, and I'd highly suggest you do that because that'll just make it look a lot more professional, look like it'd be done professionally. And it doesn't matter what the color of your background is because it comes back to you completely transparent around the background. So you can add that to any website you want, and it will look fantastic. Let's bring that one up so you can see what it actually looks like once it's done. So as you can see, that's high definition. It doesn't have the fuzziness like the original one does. Like here, it has the fuzziness about it. This one here is lovely and clear, high definition. Now, I can leave a link for this down below, and it's not an affiliate link, so I'm not going to get any money out of it if you do. Just for your own convenience, that I can just do that for you. Alright guys, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of using ChatGPT to create these images for you. Also, to let you know that right here is a playlist of a course that I've done. If you'd like to check that out, it's only 7 videos long, it's not very long. You check it out and it's right there. Also too, right here is an image of my head. Now if you want to click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.